Are you eager to start live streaming on TikTok but frustrated by the 1,000 follower requirement? In this tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to go live on TikTok, even if you haven't got 1,000 followers. Going live on TikTok is a fantastic way to connect with your audience in real time, share your talents, and engage with your followers. The process is the same for both iOS and Android devices, so if you use an Android, just follow my steps. The first step is to open the TikTok application and then go to your TikTok profile by clicking here. Now tap the three lines and select the Settings and Privacy from this menu. When you get here, scroll down and find the Report a Problem option and open it. And you'll see this search for an issue bar at the top, so you want to click on it and then type how to go live. And they will suggest you a bunch of articles, and you want to click on this first one that says how to start a live. And don't worry, we won't read it or anything like that, just scroll down and find this is your problem resolved question and click on no. And then need more help. It's gonna take us to this feedback page and we have to send a feedback to the TikTok team. You can write to them that you don't have the live feature on your account, tell them that you can't go live, and kindly ask them to resolve your problem and enable the feature for you. The TikTok team will see this message and they will reply to you within a day or two, and hopefully they will enable the live feature for you even though you don't have 1K followers. So I hope that this tutorial helped you out and that you were able to get live on TikTok. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It would really help me out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.